Another type of monitor, as earlier mentioned, the LCD. And this LCD is generally a flat panel, as you can see, as a display just like your television and have things in common. These are referred to as output devices. Moving to the printer, there are several types of printers based on its function, the purpose to which it was designed. But before then, let's focus on two major types of printers. The two major types of printers: impact printer as well as non-impact printer. You can see an example of an impact printer. So, impact printers were popular in the past. However, non-impact printers today, it has become much more in use.